Alright, so we've got the Godzilla up on jacks and we're swapping out the clutch. It had that McLeod, or however you pronounce it, RST, I think it was. It's a twin disc clutch. It's a great clutch and it came with the car when I got it, but it is not street friendly. It's very, I don't know how to explain it. It's just not street friendly. So we contacted LMR and I got a Mach 500 clutch, which we did put in Kong when it was my friend's car. So I've got that in the box now, and we're trying to get the Godzilla to Ford Fest in late September. And there's a couple things that I want to do, like the clutch. I want to get that fixed, and I want to clean up the wiring. It's still like this from the last video that I said it was open, the loom. But the car has been a daily driver now for almost a year. I think it's coming close to a year. Zero problems. It is turnkey. You fire it up, you drive it, except the clutch. It's nuts. It's the clutch, when you let the clutch out, normally like on Kong, where it starts to engage, it's the same spot on the pedal every single time. You know where it's at. In this car, sometimes you're letting it out and it instantly grabs. And it starts going, and sometimes you're letting it out and it takes forever, and then you're going and it chatters. The clutch chatters a bunch, and I read a bunch of reviews and other people say that it makes a lot of noise. But anyway, we're just going to this street clutch because 99% of my driving is on the street. I don't race it, I don't anything like that. So this is this clutch that my friend said he loved, and I've got it in Kong, so I already know I really like it. It's a mild clutch, street and strip, so that's pretty sweet. Comes with a new hydraulic throwout bearing and everything, and even a alignment tool. So it's the whole deal, everything you need. So that's good. We're just gonna get it driver friendly, and we also picked up some brakes. Yeah, they're in here too. Throw new brakes on the car because they're getting a bit worn down. But pretty soon we should have this thing back on the road and actually drivable. And the clutch has taken me, the transmission has taken me 5 days to remove. Between life and rain, it's been insane. And I didn't know it when I put it in because I put the engine and trans in as one unit. But the engine is slightly higher than stock. So it's impossible to take the transmission out, because it slides back and you instantly hit the body, the transmission tunnel. So I had to take my motor mounts off, which luckily for me, I made it, the headers and everything, there's so much room so you can easily get the mounts off. And then I just lifted it up and then lowered it, so it came right out now. But I got the transmission laying on the ground. We're about to pull the clutch off and then put this on. Let's get these parts in and get this thing back to working so I can drive it. So I really tried to get this video out a couple days ago of this car, but parts ordering, they're not going to be here till a couple days, so we're just putting it out, not working yet. Again, well, it works, it just isn't complete yet. But we got the wiring loomed up, taped up, and a couple other things cleaned up on the car, because we're taking this to Ford Fest in, I think, Bowling Green, Kentucky on the September 29th. So that's only a couple days I have, and we're waiting on gaskets for the exhaust. I took it off and I never put them back on, and I can't find them. So we're waiting on those and just a couple other things. But other than that, the new clutch is in, the car is ready to go. And we still have the exhaust is the lowest part of the car on the passenger side, so it bottoms out, which is not good. But on the street it doesn't hit anything, but as soon as you go like on an incline or a speed bump, it hits. So I'm gonna have to be very aware of that. But like I said, I was trying to get it out a couple days ago so that we could test the clutch and work on it, but figured, well, the event is coming up close, so I wanted to get something out, let everyone know that we're trying to make it to that event with the 7.3 Godzilla. Alright, thanks for watching.